How to create an account on Belk. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to create an account on Belk. Creating an account on Belk is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser on your computer. Visit Belk, type Belk, sign up in the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you directly to the sign up page. Fill out the registration form. You will be presented with a registration form asking for your personal information. Enter your first name and last name. Provide your phone number. It's optional. If you want to add it, you can add it. Enter your email and password. You may be required to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Belk. Open the Gmail and follow the instruction to verify your Gmail address. Usually you need to click on a verification link. Create account. Once your email is verified, return to Belk website. And here you go, you have successfully signed up for an account on Belk. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.